In 2026, dash cams are everywhere, but not all of them protect you the same way. The differences show up in real life: night glare, how fast you can pull a clip, whether your files survive a crash, and whether parking mode can run safely without draining your battery. In this video, I am counting down the top 5 dash cams to buy in 2026, from number 5 to number 1. I will keep it practical: video clarity, night performance, storage reliability, GPS and app features, and parking coverage. And if you want to check any of these out, I've put links in the description so you can check them out. Number 5 is the DDP AI 4K Dual Dash Cam. This is a strong value pick if you want true 4K upfront and 1080p in the rear. That combo gives you sharp detail where it matters most, plus rear coverage for tailgating, rear end incidents, and lane change disputes. For night driving, it uses AI-based image processing, plus a bright lens and multi-element optics to reduce blur and noise, so details stay more readable when lighting is rough. The standout feature is its dual storage protection. Along with a micro SD card, it includes 32 GB of built-in eMMC storage, so if your card ever fails or corrupts, it can switch to internal storage and keep recording. A 128 GB card is included, and it supports cards up to 512 GB. It also supports GPS and app control, and it uses a supercapacitor designed for better heat tolerance and safer file saving during sudden power loss. You also get helpful driver assistance style alerts, like a reminder when the vehicle ahead starts moving, and a fatigue driving reminder for longer drives. For parking mode, it offers an extended always-on style option, designed for low-energy recording, including time-lapse style coverage and event wake-up recording, built to stretch parking coverage out for days when hardwired. It also includes low-voltage protection to help prevent battery drain. Just keep in mind that a separate hardwire kit is required for parking mode to work the way it is intended. This is number 5 because it delivers strong core features and storage protection at a value-oriented price point. Number 4 is the Rove R2 4K Dual. If you want a polished dual camera setup with a great phone workflow, this is one of the cleanest choices for 2026. You get 4K front and 1080p rear recording, with wide angles on both cameras to capture more lanes. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor paired with a bright lens, designed to hold detail better in challenging lighting like rain, dusk, and night driving glare. Rove also does convenience well. Dual-band Wi-Fi makes it easier to preview, change settings, and download clips to your phone, which matters when you need footage fast. Built-in GPS can embed speed and route context into your recordings, and it can display live speed and direction right on the screen. It covers the essentials like loop recording, G-sensor incident locking, emergency file lock, and voice guidance. A 128 GB card is included, and it supports cards up to 1 TB if you want more retention. For parking, it offers multiple options, including time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection, so you can pick between longer coverage or more instant event capture. When a parking event happens, it can save that clip to an event folder and alert you the next time you start the car, so you know something occurred while you were away. Plan on a separate hardwire kit for true 24-hour parking monitoring. This is number 4 because it pairs strong sensor performance with a very user-friendly app experience. Number 3 is the Terransol 4K front and 4K rear dash cam. This one is for anyone who wants maximum resolution on both ends without jumping to a 3-channel system. Both cameras record in 4K at the same time, and the front uses an ultra-wide 170-degree lens for broad roadway coverage. It includes a 128 GB card pre-installed, supports loop recording, and locks impact clips automatically with the G sensor. You also get a manual lock button for saving a moment on demand. For low light, it combines wide dynamic range processing with bright apertures, an f1.5 front lens, and an f1.8 rear lens to help balance dark areas and headlight glare. It includes dual-band Wi-Fi with an app for preview and downloads, plus built-in GPS for speed and route data. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse recording and impact, triggered event recording, but you will need a separate hardwire kit for parking mode power. This is number 3 because it delivers full 4K front and rear coverage with a simple evidence-first setup. Number 2 is the J-Zones 4K Dual Dash Cam. This is the runner-up for 2026 because it gives you useful recording flexibility. It records 4K up front and 1080p in the rear, and it also offers a 1440p option at 60 frames per second on the front camera. That higher frame rate can make fast motion look cleaner when you're reviewing footage around intersections, merges, and quick close calls. Coverage is wide with a 170-degree front lens and a 140-degree rear lens, and HDR processing helps footage stay usable when lighting swings hard, like bright sun transitions or harsh headlights at night. It includes loop recording, a G sensor that locks emergency clips, and a 64GB card to get started. Built-in GPS adds speed, time, and location overlays for documentation, and you can also view GPS-tagged clips through the Companion app. For parking protection, it supports multiple modes with an optional hardwire kit, including event detection, time-lapse, and a low bitrate style mode for longer coverage. This is number 2 because it balances strong front detail, smoother recording options, GPS evidence, and flexible parking features. Number 1 is the Taran Soul 3 channel dashcam with 4K front, plus 1080p rear and 1080p cabin recording. This is the best overall pick for 2026 because it gives you the most complete coverage without making the system complicated. You capture the road ahead, what is happening behind you, and what is happening inside the vehicle at the same time, which is a major advantage for rideshare, delivery, families, and anyone who wants the full story if a dispute happens. It uses wide angles for near panoramic coverage with a 170-degree front view and 165-degree rear and cabin views. It includes a 3.16-inch IPS screen for quick checks, and it comes with a 128GB card installed so you can start recording right away. It supports loop recording, locks collision clips automatically, and includes high-precision GPS, so speed, route, and timestamps are embedded into the footage. Dual-band Wi-Fi and the app make it easy to preview and download clips quickly, share files for insurance, family, or your own records, and update firmware wirelessly. Night performance is a priority here too. It uses a Starlight grade lens setup with a wide f1.6 aperture and HDR processing to keep details visible in low light, so the footage looks more usable when the road is dim and headlights are harsh. Compared to number 2, the deciding factor is the cabin camera. Front and rear coverage is great, but cabin recording can be the difference between a clean claim and a messy argument. If you do not need cabin footage, number 2 may be the better value. For parking mode, plan on a separate hardwire kit if you want monitoring with the vehicle off. That is my top 5 dash cams to buy in 2026. If you want to compare prices and bundles, the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.